today, the National Transportation Safety Board is hosting the first ever summit on pilot mental health. It brings together safety experts from the aviation industry, mental health, universities, and government to explore ways to evaluate mental fitness in aviation. And as Garrett Tenney reports, the committee will make recommendations to the FAA on ways to identify and break down barriers that prevent pilots from seeking care.
With the FAA estimating this holiday season could bring some of the busiest travel days in U.S. history, the last thing airline travelers want to think about is whether their pilot is mentally fit to fly. The issue of pilot health was thrust into the spotlight in October when off-duty pilot Joseph Emerson was charged with trying to crash an Alaska Airlines flight from inside the cockpit. Neighbors say nothing seemed out of the ordinary with the 44-year-old captain, but Emerson told police he hadn't slept in 40 hours, had taken magic mushrooms, and had been depressed for months. A study surveying pilot mental health found more than 12% of commercial pilots showed signs of depression, with more than 4% reporting suicidal thoughts.
It's scary. You hope that people are vetted.
In its first summit on pilot mental health, the National Transportation Safety Board is taking up the issue, bringing together experts from the fields of aviation and medicine.
Regardless of your profession, you must feel safe getting the help you need when you need it.
The government's top aviation safety advocate says the FAA's current system of certifying pilots is arcane and that current rules have created a stigma where pilots with easily treatable mental health issues go without any help.
No one should have to think twice about their job before seeking help. And yet here we are today because that's not currently the case in aviation.
This week, the FAA also announced a special committee tasked with making recommendations to break down barriers that discourage pilots from reporting or seeking care for mental health.
And that was Garrett Tenney reporting. Aviation and mental health experts say current regulations cause too many pilots to keep their struggles a secret.